posted a picture we took. If the love we share is real, what are you way? Post to me, post to me. And from entity, post to me, post to me. Post me on Twitter, post to me, post to me. Post me on Facebook, post to me.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Post to me, post to me. Post me on
Yo, Charlie Radio so I tasty. If it's a meeting, Kwabena Costi. Our Ahenkan FM 93.3. We day easy.
Every day, I catch you, beg me, forgive you.
Kwabra kwasi enu papa de onkwa na obo chale dan so adan to feel what shino otumani na wo se kwa
Papa, baby, you just have to know. So be you I am me, baby, you just have to know. So be you I am me, baby, you just have to know. So be you
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
baby, you just have to know. So be you I am me, so Johnny, you better me punch you be back. They be a walk would be back. Yeah, take us and away in nipa. Huh? You show me to the world, tell me pen will queen. 5-star girl, wolf I'm a cheer, walk of a queen. You make a shy self. See how you embarrass me, a dear line, no, learn how to respect me. See, real men, no, they need to sleep with all the girls in the world. One woman is enough, so what dear? What your SIM card? Phone be a move.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Apologize and then you do it again and again.
Yo, Charlie Radio so I tasty. If it's a meeting, Kwabena Costi. Our Ahenkan FM 93.3. We day easy.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Adwuma-Adwuma
Clear body that toe, yeah, what better down for beer. Man, not yes, you don't do your plan. It no be easy, the media to so, yeah, you be ya. I don't for much shiro, missing many me dry. I don't want any.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Me di me tiato so me see you be ya. I don't for much shiro me see menya me dry. I don't want any posing till the make any picture. Me see na kuma di posing. I'm better day. Need the other than the so. Who don't know mama yo. When you walk at me yo be. Me show any man me jockey. Who don't know some man. Let's go.
Right, so music of 7 Ks. And of course, it causes one picture of brand new music. 44 minutes after 10 of right here on 93.3 FM. It's a Friday morning. And folks, this is what we do on Fridays. When you do that. That's right, so more music, let's talk. Yeah, on 93.3 FM. And you were trending upon for the 7 Kiss picture. I'll give your body that. Alright, come and repeat the song for me. Bring the song back. Right, so you're the crash house, bro. Here on 93.3 of FM and fame. Joshua Combinate Jenny. Benya 101 here on the show. Boy, on your papa, the bush and phone in that on your papa. Now, or your land guard. Oh, Liberia camp. Or more tons as your francophone, Mamukoya, Wujman. Then you know it. Nanyako Pondo. The bush and for sure, there be Abranti, Yamana, Jumana. I know more than the cool school. I know the Ahenkan Honeymoon Coffin by. The other minimum you are Joshua Combinate Jenny Bedin come on 93.3 of it. But Transia will whom come across the Bedin. But in the meantime, I'm shout out and come out with the out the Casa Fidiato 93.3 of FM. Friday, it's a party on radio. We will have fun here. Yes, radio. So let's see you now. It's my first shout out and come out Mr. Orbin. And a good morning. And come out Mr. Orbin. Forsty of Sanford Ventures, Mr. Chumesi, Colonel Fashion. And I'll for you come out Mr. William Beck. Only Meku. Watch my son. Berman Quine. Sending for you any back up Salum de Gambia. Nash. Watch my son with Dumas and Pabua Fie. I want to say. And also good morning and come out Nanaya Comfort Natural Look Beauty Salon Kate Daisy in a more Bompire Junction. And now for young consumer Mama Hannah. And I'm a Sako New Market side woman could be branch back on the zone. Hey, after a woman and Gazaba, not a home fan. Yesterday I went there. You could kill them copies. Oh, yes, and our home file. I Bra Michael, one up here want to say OSD Junction, exclusive beauty salon OSD Junction. Good morning. After parties golden scissors. And come on, your mommy, you know, my guy was me ya do mo so mo ya da me. See I know mo issues be sorting the house. My round. With your bar packets. See I sort your one. It's a good morning come on. I love you come Madame Letitia. Good morning. Good morning so and come Mama Vida. Oh Jubilee Bridge and so Emmanuel Amauga, Dependable Beauty Salon, Charities Fashion, DJ Lion, Jaji, or Kamene Jange, Kwame Taylor, with the Master Sari, or Quality Fashion, Liberty Entrance, na Hoanamo. I'm going to be buzzing. Brother David, Apasco, Rauf, MP3, Staga, Obama, Ricardo, Tanko, Oba Tampa, Jonathan, with the share. Good morning, Komamuna. Avoyan Koma, Amos, Apia, Jerry, Richmond, Pierrot. Rakwami Okasia Banchini Tilapia, Mugina, and Pay Chicha. Have a good morning and come on, man like Simple One. Simple One, yeah. I'll pay me jail. Right, and share the daily dose of motivation is very unconscious here on 93.3 FM. More music here on 93.3 FM. Stay tuned and have a blessed day.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
I come for more shiro, missing many. picture. Missing a woman in your posing. On Benny was on Benny. Need the other in his okis. Who don't have my yobi? And you walk a me yobi. You show any man a me joki. Who don't know some men a meko? I go clean your body that toe. Yeah, walk back down for ya. Man, not here, say, you don't do your fine. It no be easy. The me to so me see you be ya. I don't for more shiro, missing menya me dry. I don't want any posing till he make any picture. Missing a woman in your posing. On Benny was on Benny. Need the other in his okis. Who don't have my yobi? And you walk a me yobi. You show any man a me joki. Who don't know some men a meko? I go clean your body that toe. Yeah, walk back down for ya. Man, not here, say, you don't do your fine. It no be.
Right, so 7Ks on this one. And he calls this one picture. Good morning, Komaminia. Nanaya Obey. Of course, he is the CEO and the founder of Right Elite Soccer Club. Minya no pay want to say good morning, Koma. I say speedy recovery. And from Koma Ayok, Joseph Ayoka, Charlie. Speedy recovery, Minya. I asked Susunya, dear. Not too for sir. And wow. But anyway, speedy recovery. And from Koma Joseph Kweku Ayoka. I love you, brother. I hope to Charlie. What I say. Nanaya Obey's always shoot speedy recovery near the big shouts. Nanaya Obey. And they Nanaya Obey, mommy, I would be for my medium brand and wishing a special. For my medium brand and wishing a special crowd. What I say. Yeah, because she's special, she will always be special. But brand, I'm proper cherry cake. And she had the daily dose of motivation is very real. You're crunch out something, you're showing crying. You're Friday. When you say G and you share home crying. This is what we do on the show every Friday. We make sure we entertain you. My catch they be share. We do our best to entertain you, to give you the best. Oda Jumanadia, today happy birthday to mommy Vida Adwoa Efrie Asante. Vida Adwoa Efrie Asante. Mommy Yakopon onfa ahoɔden bebree enka ahoɔden aka ho. Na o masika se won nkoso yi bebree. O dey ase. Na trans na chama yen. Sisi amienu aba. Okay, so I see. Hey, babe. Charlie, sorry. Anyways, I can't say you know about already, you know, babe. You fat me and Sana and 9 count and you see now you found man on house today. And while I'm 2 about another one. You for 6 and count, just a proper 18 yeah. Right, so 55 after 10. Send me a text on 0533-898-915. 0533-898-915. And your text message number. You can as well join the show live on Facebook. Let's get interactive. Ahenkan 93.3 FM live on Facebook. I am proper. Once again, my brother Joshua Kobenegenu will certainly join me on the second half of the show. Near Dinko. And then there are more than me by interview me. And you interview you know, but still I may interview. Then I can't mammy dreams you or so man longer the Jumani bill. The 18th Abrantia, Bessina Coscu. There's a kind of mammy dream. But if you have in some of you have a bit if you are on my main Kayomo. Yes, last be Mamba Juma, Kobe as last be now. Mother's Day, young friend will be a mammy today. And you're from your back on mammy, was it? I'm from the hello man, I had to say, or sympathy you. Oh, man, I see a sound, some community before or bad nursing, because you so. o say nursing be me pa mo cho nursing be ne ma mi o me pa mo cho nursing be na mo kana say as ba nursing dia na mami won kai oba no dia na piece of fam ya me ba wo piece of fam me pa be na mo kana say no ala was nursing amudi kan nursing ke uzu amaya mam say okay nursing kosi uzu mam say me ba kosi ya me ba kosi na mo kana say bi ne ma me kai no sebo if you has na wow ne ma me kai no kra so wa wo ba bi sa o me ba kosi na mo na ne ho ya de na o wa he first say mom ne nkasa me tin kan che oh my days. Anyways, our daily dose of motivation here from real quick. From Monday called the poverty motivational sick tune, yeah. But in the meantime, I used to appropriate, right? So Color Studios and tickets on Broadway, so I see the young crash as bro. For all wedding photographies, birthdays, photography, studio pictures, picture frame in the passport pictures in the idea, you know. My part all Color Studios are ever sort to that. Oh, there's it. Mom ko fi a chance no mo ntwa mfoni na mo fan send fie se ne bia mama mo be gusu akai mo ase na me ba na mo kana asemi emudien tietia na ya na focus ya no me ba kwasi usu na wo ho de me pa jo to avoid that embarrassment na wo twa picture that send fie ma me ni o mi gusu ti ase sa ya say next before ko biz fm no ko Libya o Okolibia ti ne ma mi nim sa wa ba mu ka se wi kwa owu desert ne so for desert so ti ne ma mi ni so owu desert ne so ti ma mi ne kai no kra hasebo me pa jo ko Color Studios your Liberty Transport opposite Kenal Pharmacy for 0245276638 0245276638 Color Studios and the good to embroidery and a person can just say believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Keep pushing. Mrs. Ubi, or see, believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. So keep pushing forward. There's some macho emoji. What's it? Fashion with dream. Langard na ba. Intimine Langard nso be din komo sese ya. Remember Joseph believe Bishop be church we wo twi mu mame. International church was say believe in yourself and all that you are.
Say
believe in yourself and all that you are.
Believe in yourself and all that you are.
Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle.
Now who say bibi ewo mu a bro akwansidie nyina so.
No. So keep pushing forward.
Inti pim ko wanim.
Inti fatu omfo. And motivational message I can't say from no. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Keep pushing forward.
Okay. Okay. If we are small Yankopon mo bia special qualities bi ewo nu. We say ina ye wodin ye brief in, brief out. Moja baako na even sometimes ya moja crampo no edin sisa because say a doctors now call mom wonim dey was an money ma o say be o positive e be say but ni moja ni na ye kokko so ati ase ne ne oni pa mu nyina no ebi wo obia nso emu but Yankopon e de qualities anase ne mo bi adua nipa baako bia mu a the other one no enibi so ati ase nti nia Yankopon dia domo nia wanya anase nia uwo a ewo mu no hwan na hu se obi enso eni sade ne bi so opim ko anim ni ekita no emu odu emfa ho ade bia obaye bi ebetu mpon anase ade bia obaye bi a ebe successful bia no akwansidie ewom ade bia ko anim a hu se ade we ebeye ye Jesus Christ kwa ye wo no edu time bi na ohin bi peso kunu but ekitwa je no so ade be successful bia no ya na consider
problems wo ho
yes nti no matter what na be si bia no wo ya de na say consider ebem wo ya na say wo face problems bia eno clear sign e kire wo say sade na wo ye no obedi nkunim nti pim ko anim na akoso ye
right you try your right koba na fe ya share unko meni wedi nkomo fiti wa brabo ase kwan fa so obeda na landguard ni kwan a o ma make as there be menja wa life ama wa so be shiti ko school na nyakopon do wa ha wa good watching ya kwa ba sisi ya da o ya afro wo shape wo ejiro ase kwa me nkroma ebusuafo ni bi ya ba sisi ya
Hola la! Edition for Mukita SSC, WASI, HND, and mature students na. Yadia Sandanamo.
Akim State University College. FBA na apno at home. Opese, we are topper within 2 years. And now say, mature student, 25 years and above. Akwenya no ababedaho.
Akim State University College, air programs be at say, business programs, yawa BSc Accounting, BSc Marketing, afe BSc Banking and Finance, Sanso and a BSc Human Resource Management, and ya nunkwao engineering programs and so ekahubi, BSc Electrical and also Electronic Engineering, afe BSc Computer Science.
Enunti admission is in progress. And ubit me a pick of forms.
Enti Shaniso, as a Akim State University College, and KNUST, and a Kawamotuma Abano, a tuba bejiwa this year, Akim State College, at Sanya Wako KNUST Pepe.
So we hear Tina Kwanya, Yawa Akema Sene, or that Quante Pondiso, and I saw my friend 0207 163787, and now say 0242 256070. Akim State University College, discipline, excellence, and development.
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense swabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pedian Musamaya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarua who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, Yamwa suing Yano, a boy who buying every home. And now Mumpa, Omuan Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA, Asayasi.
Driver, na for me call on body ensa wom herbal clinic. Na me for many coach amansa koka dientia. Obi ane ne yade ko hono a. Won fa ne yade ensa ba fie bio. Na onya na yaresa. Wo fa ni ba si na me fa nko. Na so kwadwo ayaresa. Mo yade, wo mo sa yade bia ha obi a wo kwa wo mbesa hwe. Yade bi ti say stroke, hypertension, fibroid, infertility, diabetes, hepatitis, hypertension, sexually transmitted disease, prostate cancer, infertility, and asempo. Udwale na wuti ho saa, wuti ho gria obo wa kuhu mesra yade aka wa to dem yade bia ha obi a wudi kopie mo obo ade ensa wo mu heba clinica wo mbete ne te say ye yefunu yade ana wuti pai wo untumi ngo bema ana wo ba ntumi ngo oba wo ne bema da wo untumi nsane wo bema wo de boss wa no agemu yade be ne ha wo na ase na atatai ana se wa honhono moja broswo ana wuni moja wani ase ye fita say ye nkrodo yade bia ha obi a obo ade ensa wo mu heba clinic timi say te say 100 cedis 120 150 ekwesi 200 Ghana cedis obema ho adura akwa akonom ama watimi anya wapom di amapa na se wukoyi folder wukohu doctor ye screening ehunu ba bia yade ne hye ni nyina ye free mitwika wo krom ha obia formation ya ne ho adanse enko an odie doctor no ya ade wabene kwana kwaje ayalehwe oba de ensa wo mu heba clinic ewo achim odan ada a eben masalachi so mills wonom pe number no 0532333372.
Ya from your foreman. Mejuma sweni enti obia pemasem. Sa wodi wajuma shaminsa. Mesha se usika enko waste. Inti me tomenyo menyi na free jump trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa ana chairman Mensa chain. Enti sa wope cement, gasem, diamond ana se simaf. Ningina ubenye bi ato Mr. Mensa ana chairman Mensa chain. Open nadwa all inches, iron rolls, 16mm to quarter rolls, POP, plaster balls, kenoff, papa panibi, fiber, set tinting anatetia, open tree barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size. Ningina, ubenye biatowo, champ trading enterprise, Mr. Mensa, anasa chairman Mensa chain, our Kameni Junction, on Ejaji and a Dinshanim, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880. Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
Hey! Agwazi Jadie. Ujafo and the car engine. Ewuo ya esi wodro so fitting shop wo no. Ah bra, enyo ne kanfu si horse engine oil man no oge na ne chene. PSA bra, me na masam ni o akrabato. Yakasa. Se si horse engine oil no. And no special additive. Ohuru engine mu. E ma ne che. Me dwun ho wonte. Na via da kra. Ene me ne, e ka ba fie na me fa he. The whole world open quality engine oil. Seahorse and wo so. Say private cars, taxis, commercial and heavy duty trucks. Enu ti no me kanfo Seahorse 15W40 and 20W50. Ama drivers any ka una fo nyina. Afi motorbike aboboya and pragiafo no. Mumu de mu hia eye Seahorse special 40. Enu and riders and mechanics e wo se mo use you unua no kwe wo mni say Seahorse product and ye papa ane bonso e wo form semi frimu fia e free na kro Seahorse engine oil nko na begu me car engine mu and ye fra Seahorse for 0244 577 559 and 0240 800 007 Seahorse products enua.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Adwuma-Adwuma.
trendybeats.com.
Feel like I'm stuck in a maze, looking for the wrong one again. Big girl, I'm searching again. Even though I fuck with your ways, even though your body they crazy, no be for me, maybe I'm unlucky again. The car, my cup, my love. Oh, another one for
Adwuma-Adwuma.
Just call my dealer. The car, my cup, my love. Oh, another one for my nigga. I'ma just call my dealer.
She go do me why oh. And after me give her my everything, she go break in my heart oh. You be like say that the bad things I do. Yeah, I'm on go. You be like say that the bad things I do. Yeah, I'm on go.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
People say I don't really care what them want do. They just tryna take me from my pockets. Get me from my cryptocurrency.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Adwuma-Adwuma.
Pretty girl, but a hardcore blood.
Hello there, this is
It's your favorite girl, Abby Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What's it?
Come and help me count my paper. Some girls nowadays, they might ask for some cryptocurrency. It's a different thing how we do in the 21st century. She said, when we get the money, call anytime, and it's an emergency. Before you kiss and caress me, give me my money, man. We on a new level now. We on a new
The mid-morning show. Have a pleasant day.
Then I will come back to you like a boomerang. Not anymore. I put your keys on the bathroom dresser. Oh my dear, we are over now. In Bible 5, pick up, you know, no. You're too busy to pick up your calls. I'm done crying over you, I'm walking away, and I won't come back anymore. I'm single for now, solo for now. I'm single for now, solo for now. I can't show you any more affection. I don't wanna give you any more attention. You don't deserve my attention.
Right, so music from Eugene Kwame Mafo. And of course, that brings us to exactly 11 minutes after 11 here on 93.3 of Adwuma mid-morning. I know as you go. But in the meantime, I'm in Casting Uncle on my 27th October, which is in a week, next week Friday. You may free screening. Ahenkan FM in collaboration with the Jubilee Hospital present to you a free breast cancer screening for Mema. And Tinyankopon Yadoma free screening over Koso. I'm in a week, 27th October. Remember, oh, yeah, Bema now with him. A star boy, oh, by Alpha again, the Braugan and the new Fuson. That's one answer.
Why?
What do you know?
Minishu.
But all banana in a banana, it's your average. Right, you're free, and this is give you. Right, everything come on here on 93.3 of and it's all about tournament to be ever course so between the churches.
You gonna be my son, you gonna call me your mother. I'll go fear, I could tell my go fear. I'll go fear, so make us me.
Right, so a local Council of Churches soccer competition sponsored by Honorable Alexander Kwesi Akwa. And Adwuma because it happened watch my bubble here, right? Two groups, Jesus Generation, Zion, and after Presby, and our group B near Salvation Methodist, and after Good Shepherd. Come on. Shall I also day?
Maybe I fine.
You're hunting tankers and so on. I know pains when you're oh my god, Joe.
Oh, that be.
I won't can't Joe.
That be.
Agent can't Joe.
No one prepare man.
Agent can't Joe. Oh, okay. Oh, one is a white. Mean describing Joe.
Oh, one is a white.
Mean describing Joe. Okay. Okay, about 3 or 4 months ago. Mijina bus stop.
Steady.
Charlie.
So, who do you be?
I mean, you saying
structure, no?
Yeah.
Structure.
Yeah. Right. So, let me congratulate my younger sister. She's been called to the bar. And she's doing the listening. Right. So, Charlie, tell me more about program because I say competition because no.
Yeah, Governor Menda was na Menda enano pe your mama fidi da Ahenkan 93.3 na oguso mu 80. Komo William say didi ho komo wo fia no mama mpanifo kraba ama yedi ho komo na enena dwuma di nyina ye hya ase we Honorable Alexander Kwesi Akwa Local Council of Churches soccer competition baso no and uti mpanifo ekasamo a we ya dia ba betina it means every year bia no sa dwuma di enso be koso yenkomu bebre on say udi o yesofo ba nti e ba nyamesem ni ade say di punpun awo fi nti ube pie modwuma na so suban ye ama obia ba wa maso say custody ni suban eye eno nti no mpanifo me dadeda enso dia no e wa chima boabo hanom na omo atenase a ɔmo de saa dwumadi ɛba sene bɛyɛ ɔmo betumi ahyɛ mmebu na sɛ youth no nkran na ɔmo so ɔmo de mani akyiri mu ɛwɔ nyamesom na bibia nso akɔ fan dɛ ɔmo ɛno nti no ɔmo ɛtena ase no dwumadi bebree na ɔmo ayɛ nano ade ɔmo yɛ clean up exercise na second one ɛsɛ ɛba so no sɛ yɛde ɛyɛ football nso ɛba na youth no nso ehu sɛ ba no asɔre mu anya sɛ bi ade bia yɛta asɔre dem ne nyamesɛm ne preaching nko na emum yɛmfa wei ɛkwan wei a yɛbɛtumi da fa so yɛbɛtumi de invite youth no into the churches na bibia nso akɔyie ɛno nti na mpanimfoɔ tena ase ɔmo sɛ saa de yɛmfa dwumadi nhyehyɛ so na balloting akɔso sɛ na odi kankan yɛ no group A no Jesus Generation afei Zion afei Presbyterian Church group B no nso ɛyɛ Salvation Army Church saa nso ɛna Methodist Church ɛne Good Shepherd nso abepiem na ɛne na dwumadi no ɛhyɛ ase no mmiɛnsa ɛwɔ ɛyɛ akyema wɔ Sakasaka Park ya so first game no ɛyɛ Generation ɔmo ɛne ɛyɛ Zion na de ɛbɔ ani na afei second game no nso ayɛ Good Shepherd ɛna afei sorry ɛfɛ no Methodist nti yɛayɛ no group A group B nti group A no ɔmo na mo di kan bɔ first game ɔmo first game no wi a na group B nso abɛbɔ mo first game na afei atoato aso saa na yɛhu ɔmo timi progress to the next stage of the competition sɛ yɛbɔ group stages no wi a yɛbɔ no round robin obiara ɛbɔ no ho na ɔmo asɔre no obiara masse point nti sɛ yɛbɔ group A wie na sɛ three churches no ɔmo hɔ no sɛ ni obeli di table no ɛni na ɔbɛtɔ so mmienu no ɔmo qualify to the next stage of the competition na ni ɔwi yan sɛ ni ɔtɔ so mmiɛnsa no afiri mu same thing applies to group B no nti group B no ɛno nso no ɔmo bɛ di tɔ so mmienu no anaso ɔmo baako ɛne second no ɔmo nso ɔmo qualify nia ɔbɛtɔ so baako ɔbɛdi nkan ɛwɔ group A no ɔbɛhyia nia ɔtɔ so mmienu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ group B no na ne odi nkan ɛwɔ group B no nso ahyia ne ɔtɔ so anaasɛ odi nkan ɛwɔ group A no na afei ɛsan so abɔ de akɔ anim akɔ kɔpem time anaasɛ baabi a ɛbɛtumi anya ɛyɛ two churches a wɔbɛtumi amɛgye as ɛyɛ finalists a wɔmmɛkɔ akɔpiem ɛwɔ hɔnom no nti sɛ wɔn de pihyia so wie a mmɛba prices ɛne nneɛma a ɛdada so no bɛtɛ wɔn sɛ dwumadie biara bɛdi biara no ɛwɔ mmara a combine a ɛtumi bɔ ma dwumadie no so no ɛwie successful ɛno nti ne mpanimfoɔ kɔtena ase no wɔn sɛ yɛade a each half yɛ starting at 3 o'clock yi yɛade a each half yɛbɔ sɛ bɔɔl yɛbɔ no first half ɛne second half nti each half bia no in normal ball no nanka yɛ 45 bɛtue no akɔyɛ nsɔre na afei asan so akɔyɛ ade a yɛbɔ de agye ani no ti no mpanimfoɔ sɛ each half bia no 30 minutes ɛna yɛbɛbɔ no so it means sɛ combine two halves ne nyinaa no ɛnso ɛyɛ 60 that is 1 hour na yɛde awie one game nso awie sɛ woba no football mu a sɛ yɛbɔ game na sɛ bi a obi ɛkɔ nya card or bi a wakɔ dibuga anaasɛ bi wakɔtwa obi a ɛnsɛn fata na referee ɛma ne card a sometimes over football mbu a nipa no timi ɛmɛsɛ 3 matches 2 matches it depending on how a fɛn sɛ incident ne si happen yɛ but wɔn mu mpanimfoɔ akyerɛ mu a ɛyɛ na yɛ agudie ɛnyɛ biribi kyinkyini biara no ɛno nti no sɛ game no ɛkɔ so na sɛ obi enya red card a ɔmɛsi only one game pɛ the following game na sɔre bɛbɔ no obetuma bɛgyina mu nso abɛsi akan ɛde ama ɛyɛ nasɔre ɛna afei match boss no ɛyɛ mpanimfoɔ ankasa na ɔmo atena ase ɛna ɔmo de ɛyɛ ball a yɛde bɛbɔ ɛfɛn sɛ tournament no ɛde ɛɛba so each match bi a yɛbɔ ɛwɔ saa tournament wɔn mu nyinaa no obiara stande anaasɛ each match biara no yɛma mu 2 balls ɛma ɔmo de bɔ obiara nkɔfa ne ball ɛnfi akyire ɛma nanu ada na mɛka sɛ obi kasɛm bi kyerɛ mi ɔmo kɔ pie mu wɔ park bi so na ɔmo pie wɔ park bi so no na opponent team no fi away call home no omo home for na bi catch them say nkofo mu ba show ma mu show mu ntem na omo bo bi won no red ball omo the red ball ne ba
mutiate
wa on dimi hye omo show I don't know sa dwuma dia ye di obi amfa ball mfemfi ba bia mba mpenifo ankasa e provide a boss na bibia nso akoye enam se bibia mu no ye pese yam pese wontuontwi eya asore de na yam pese wontuontwi ene wantewanta bebe mu no yakofa referees a agro no omote ase omu nimu ena omba bedi sene be ya ebekako wiase no ye nkonya se ena we di ma we na we that eno ntini professional referees a omudi bo ankasa ena omba bedi sa game a na ese na nwumre e hyase ewa boabo no afi ye ka kire teams nya say teams ni omo reps eso ewa hanom ye ka kire mu nyina se omo eba I mean ntimi ko star bo atade baby ebia Starboy Methodist na brother tade na mu fam begine mu so ati ase ese mu nyina munya outfitter pepepe jersey a mu nyina be with numbers na timi abo ma bibia nso akoyi enso e ho no entino we aye nhihye kakra mpanifo de gu akwam na asori bia standing a chance odi 18 players ina odi be hye dwumadi na se nti 18 players be ena yeje enso de fi asori bia na bibia nso akoyi se obi pra na pese odi bi hye ma o contact mpanifo behwe na bibia nso akoyi sane ma me kan nyina no mpanifo ankasa so ayi mpanifo de si wono ma o mbehwe na o ma check sane o ma we nyina na afi dwumadi nso afa ne tuma pa edi efra Reverend Solomon Kwame Dwamena edini de yes ono owo Methodist sounds da Reverend Ajekundua enso ewo Presby ena Reverend Emmanuel Kwabena Obindom pre enso ewo Jesus Generation omno mo hwe anim na sa mra omde abanyina no yatime disu na bibia so akoyi Kwabena yambo game ni sa keke nia obemeji as champion no nia obewini yebebo game ni nyina awie na yayi ni say yes yebo tournament we win una win ye no onya a trophy no onya wi a esanso e ma no 1000 Ghana cedis ena afi ye ma no 2 balls na esanso ama no medals na odi akọ ne bato su minu no enso ebenya 500 Ghana cedis kanisi kana 5 million na wanya 2 footballs na afi wanya medals enso aka ho na afi third place no enso ebenya 300 Ghana cedis na wanya a ball na wasanso enya medals aka ho na bibia nso akoyi nti wei kakra mpenifo enso edegu akwema ye hwe anim se enne dwumadin ehase a bibia betimi akoyi damaye enne anyimre ya na enne 3 pm
3 ewa hefa
ewa babo sakasaka park
na babo park is light or how about 3 pm
na 3 na dia sa
David na say teams ni about 6
da bi yembo ni nyina ne yembo ni nyina ne yembo ni nyina ne yebo na ne abone china abone Sunday na nia meti ye na no paya ne se ya pese ona boba odi na ni onyam ebetai dwumadi na chi enu nti no nanka nhihye mu de nanka ye wie games no Sunday ya ebe but report and second sem so na bu near around nti by next week Sunday no wa ba around enu nti no ye bo group stages ni na afiro no abo semi finals na afiro na afi cutting razor no ye man ebebo cutting razor no
Joshua yen twitwa was because of time nti no yeah mama reps ni bi bring from reps from each age Starboy or represent us already
Kosti me wa Methodist
ona ya boba na nkwa amunya ban bona na
oh there be the what band the ho
no right you know ujima was sorry then I'll catch church members
oh ye jama mama sorry there na ene no me ensa born sha say there Methodist for the here church members ni nyina say emo be 2:30 no bia e park because if I na yebo e second match until by 2:30 then na asole be bia ugidi se ko Methodist no na o park ni so
right
yeah the asole for na yebo ball no yati hu bi we tire but emu ya beb
and nkofo de
local prayers be she but here Methodist there yeah for local prayer be she be asole for na na ebebo eyebo no
all right mpacho also representing
Salvation Army
oh some of them answer my back than say because my support money there then I'll catch Salvation Army for
oh as na me catch Salvation Army for
body no move on agaza
yeah friend amache na friend no
amache
yeah ready pa me boys na ready nti one player say I'm for a man in 5 meter
right
the bed and what you pound some of
a man
yeah
well my god as a church members my man
and say man is unya
yeah the brother Jesus generation
as usual of the movement
the brother my deal
the make a chat for no say no me some be share park come for supporting him brand idea we expect nothing but just the win
right Charlie, I saw more president as well.
Good Shepherd in Bra.
Good Shepherd. Good Shepherd. Do body and ojo onum kakra.
Frame Alex.
Kasedu emu.
Yeah, frame Alex. I can see it there. I said last week no my boy and a Good Shepherd na na a fire inti. Sure say definitely the best side Aji Salvation for what they buy, I'm a salvation for so
engine. Yeah. Matis salvation for no. Salvation for no squad, but like no place.
But opposite be no more.
Almost be a squad. Squad.
Opposite be no more. What is that? No man tell me that salvation net so.
It is already here. Abo here.
But trying.
But a woman no. Head the crab umbesia bako.
Good shepherd name.
Head the crab ako na beko na nim because we no more one group mo.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Oye, Shama 50 pe. Yen sham kasi bia.
Na momo kwa sorry ana.
Salvation for con is extra. Yeah, boy. Cause the boy no. Ba cost mo asem kakaka.
Okay.
Park na so no pon si suti si ai. Ti e pacho say bia penifo no betu ho na mo amaye.
Pon si so
omuguso mo ye. Once because of the game ntina say ye boaboa ehu ye.
Okay.
Edo ntino na po no ehu atochema and e ya so the game ampenfo we nsu die nim die na ye hwe ma na ense sa ntino omo edi nyamagu akwema omo ACC. I'm sure say bia by acha no mienu no ba ko die na omo awie bibia na bibia so akoyi.
Right. She said, me who between Salvation and Jesus Generation. Me who sorry, member supporting.
This over supporter na ababo.
No support.
Cause the way, o Salvation in Nkola ni about. Yeah,
Jesus Generation.
Now the boys now Jemechi ano, so boys no. Oh. Men coming kase bebre.
Dramatic asa. When me hu the border. The share green me hu the border.
On the friend cashes no.
Me hu the border.
On friend ko isapon.
Me hu the border pa na me wo park no sta me.
Na your pineapple so gina kira.
Pineapple so bobo.
Pineapple bobo. Abo kwabla.
Pineapple bobo. Joshua your last and final wish na.
Yes, inti senior wache boys no. I think say ye wa kan me obibia enso embra. Ye shasi ene na fe ye wi next week Sunday obi bia embra na bibia nso enkoye we are sorry bo my can say wo nso a wo ba no say bia wo ye player ana say bia o be support no we yamfa kuma pam na embra nya wontwi asori de ntokwa sem bia ni ba bia so atase ntu bia mfa kuma pambra na ye invite obi anso mbra na bibia nso enkoye na say bia wo bibi nso a o de be sponsor na say o de be boa hwen a ebia otimi buo no wo nso ba ku mienu e pese o de be boa aye mpenifo nso timi ema bibia nso kona kwan ma obetimi akontate mpenifo ni omo edi enkomo enanyumbe ya oba events ababo park na so a I'm sure say jumadi no obehu ne ekone ne ba nti nya aja ne
ese aja ni eso company for no pese musa question kakra say ebia obi ye tambo nkwa sorry a ni jinwo so pese obobo ni bi wetin ye bobia na
on pass or nko sisi a onkocho ndin wa so sisi
there be onko enye se onkocho ndin sisi a ebia onkwa so tifie kra bat bobi bay ofili so bobi obetimi akwa so bi makwa kubo ma na
men contact before my enframe before cause once we still na Accra na dey epe but nyom ka kire me say we no eye asori na yebo so mo me okwa asori bi I'm not sure say bi obi fi ba bi na obi ba obetim na bebo nya ye kwa asori ya na yebo
okay
right that say about 3
so me azu ni mbobo no so person ka say
okay
7 kasa
meet you
ya ka bibre die na mpese mi hu se ne question obusai no ebo no e se aponti cap bi na dade ye ba ha na mo ehu mra ne niam e wo hu bata se mi hu bibi e koso sa se bia game no we ne wo hu se wa matime a e bia e bejo points am obi we do bi be frame a e betima ajo points am obi mi hu minti sa
Joshua question me the audio
yeah I think say MP40 and I don't know some run means me ni e wa hanum sisi but I'm sure say yeah shisha sa we ni mo bia time so bia mfambra any time of reporting no in our first game so one say first game or second game or I don't know baby at time dey be but I'm sure yeah started 3 dia e bo be say 6 a intimate boss Akazaka Park so and after 30 minutes na ye bonus no 1 hour until bia by 5 day na ka di bia ba na wi so just report on time when anya ade chinchin bia ye wo say board ye say ye pass o park national say status ye bo ani burebam but ye fan share team say when anya ade bia ye board ni ndin bia so at say ye project bia mpenifo dey see on that is one here ye bo BBC no so say game honoma. I think it's the first game salvation. I first generation and Zion na able. So Zion yeah just represent na generation. So they are represented that na so following game no I'm sure say beat me affiliate with. So not say be a better point and I say one ball later. That's a opponent na ba na say ye work over na ye dia ma opponent.
Na be mo so ye best say MPD phone di on my organization no best say Monday no na ageni mu sports na mo ka rules no me mama say pesenka members who rules ni bi na me say won dia ma so fo ni di anim no ye say Sunday ye so fo wa ma so le wa ha no
Star one rules ni ya aya no hun because of time
no senka nya Monday na ye take kula bank ni se matteris ball ye ka ho na ye so fo nka hwen say ball na ye ka ho
right Joshua
I think so
you have to take
over mo bibia ti dia wow you bia mane empem number no rules ni metim dia mo bibia no bia hun
right okay
come here that's it
yes that's it right so 93.3 of the property with Jam Trading Enterprise Jam Achim Odan my company junction me patcho show pair my dance here no be to say POP plasterboards fiber marine boards paint plywood na the one fiber ne ade nyina Oba Jam Trading Enterprise abenye bi ato me patcho the check kwan wa chimo na company junction the friend 0208 123 566-880 Yanko Brifoland Hotel Brifoland Sebrana Bejiwani what they say parties are hudubra na Bejiwani ni adia Yanko Blooms Yanko to books and my friendly books no the benye bi ato our Blooms Bookshop and Trading Enterprise exercise books rulers mathematical sets pencils sharpeners crayons poster colors nina obenye bi ato shade so sabi bia de da form ni adia what they say your prices no da for obi abetimi afford bi nti bra na beto books ni bi fama abofra no your chimoda commercial bank car park the op 0244 293 632 and 0203083731 try and to say Yanko from Pon Enterprise in Kodija ye ko weekend ye be didwa amutu obesudia na je se emo aye huam perfume rice papa na ye ko towo Frimpong Enterprise Frimpong sabra so pe African Queen mackerel po ba pa lele cooking oils bit say sunflower junoli ni dia kenyina oba obenye biato afese all kinds of tin tomatoes and to bra Frimpong Enterprise be didwa fa go shop wo provision store bra na bedidwa tako gumuni ade bibia ope from Frimpong Enterprise bia benye bi your cosmetic shop so ho ya wo bibia ya ton drinks and san dokodokode ne ade nyina oba benye bi me pa cho ye chira kwan wo Mandarina Hotel asie ho pe and afei so wo call OGN Banker ohon so obehu ya friend 0244 8975525 0206473953 0242111236 Frimpong Enterprise ejumewura or see what the papa ache don't cool ventures zebra ye ko weekend and then my boys be better town I'm about to see it me proper training ade ma catch us na ya ba mo be ye be fast streets ye be tree streets ye be proper training ade we say it is our boys was about this weekend na mo be sinkonya me patch up baby am benya alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages at all Don Cool Ventures at lowest wholesale prices ne boafo it called Don Cool Ventures and na kopebi what you say hwe mi boni din a be hwe mi start hwe na ya ana what town did that basa mama ti won come we watch the track kwan we Sunny Star Plaza Jubilee Hospital kwan so Juana Abehu Don Cool Ventures for 0555-486-990 and 0556-252-668. Nelly's Haircuts. You penny 40, more frying cora, you be a sporting waves, your diety calanzo. Yes, yeah, 80 brachama Assemblies of God Kwanzo. And I shall pursue and Braffy and Mayma between the gentle foster income 059418 0594158406 93.3 FM. Now for you because it's Friday party on radio. I hope you are ready. Let's do this again. Good morning and have a blessed day.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
got that girl in my bed. Do you wanna know why all the girls like me? You seem both ahead of my peers. You know why they call me the melanin papa? Cause when I get I grab the peaches and scatter. You want to know me, go and steady and kata. I can an innocent girl to informer. And she got a tattoo, she wanna show me. I'm in the lobby listening to Frank Ocean. She want to undress, she want to hold me. She say, but I really wanna get naughty. She want to put that, you go tear on me, smoke me and hide me. She says I'm yours entirely. She got her eyes on me, eyes on me, eyes on me. They want to have the fun with me. All they see is that on me. They want to.
Oh yeah, I want to feel it in my belly. Follow the ladder to my heaven. Oh, la 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 do. I give you my heart and soul. Suje, yaba overload. Suje, are you ready, ready, ready? Suje, Suje, I gon' make you sing my name, sing my name. I gon' make you sing my name, sing my name. I gon' make you sing my name, sing my name. I gon' make you sing my name, sing my name, sing my name. You hit the jackpot bingo. Hope you're bigger than your ego.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Sweetie Papa, Sweetie Papa, I give you my heart and soul. Suje, yaba overload. Suje, are you ready, ready, ready? Suje, Suje, I gon' make you sing my name, sing my name. I gon' make you sing my name, sing my name. I gon' make you sing my name, sing my name. I gon' make you sing my name.
Why we say I marry you beautiful? Let's day and you are ugly. Why we say I marry you beautiful? Let's day and you are ugly. This been a total cheat. You must see my lawyer. This been a total cheat. You must see my lawyer. One virgin, one two virgin, one three virgin. She now you be born for virgin. You be back and a virgin, back and a virgin, and a virgin, back and a virgin. She now you be born for virgin. Almanta kudu ma bita na shi, munafika mbaya manda na su. Almanta mi ke bita na shi, ala kala ki. O yalmanda simle ma sona belamle, mangura ngo sona bashili. No name ngo sona bapuksele. Ashile mkura, tell why you like me. You like me, say you the brand new girl. Even now no say you the like me girl. No no, I know one painting I mean talk. And yes I tell you I mean talk. Now I love you, how you brown me. I love you, why you the brown me. You know say I love you, why you brown me. Why we say I marry you beautiful? Let's stay and you walk. Why we say I marry you beautiful? Let's stay and you walk. This beauty, let's go. Baby girl, oh yeah, that thing you to do when it make me say, oh yeah, that thing you to do to make me crazy. Come on, watch me, that thing you to do to make me crazy. Oh yeah, come on, that thing you to do, oh hit my ramen chain, me and my ramen chain. Come make I pull this thing on you, oh hit my ramen chain. Ramen chain, me and my ramen chain. Come make I put this thing on you. Yeah, make I tell you some story. Girl, you're the one for me. I did outside, day and night, anytime when you want me. Make I tell you some story. Oh my girl, so now you're the one for me.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
I know feel live without you. Yeah, send me look and I go pull up on you wherever you get. I go down. I know feel live without you. Be like she give me cold day, cause it just love me for days. Oh wait, be my woman. What make you be my woman, 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 woman? What make you be my woman, woman, woman? Be my woman. What make you be my woman?
she belong. She full of vibes. With her tongue, me push it in, me she scream, oh God. She get vibe, she know the long. Inna me heart, where she belong. She full of vibes. With her tongue, me push it in, me she scream, oh God. Pero, I know feel live without you. Yeah, send me low, okay. And I go pull up on you wherever you get. I go down, I know feel live without you. Be like she give me cold day, cause you just know me for days. Oh, yeah. Be my woman, what make you be my woman, woman. What make you be my woman, be my woman, what make you be my woman, what make you be my
See, I've got myself a sponsor. Anything me ask, get it bye-bye. Even though it's older, but I got to survive in this life. Another one who is younger. When I ask for something to cry. Messi va payer me nyani die, ama bibia. That's where dry like jao, but she na coming kwa. And down beba minche, me soni masema okani sai. Pull it for me, slow down. Missy, yeah, me, yeah. Pull it for me, slow down. Me got yeah, me, yeah. Pull it for me, slow down. Missy, yeah, me, yeah. Pull it for me, slow down. Me got yeah, me, yeah. Oh, yeah, mercy. These burgers have lots of energy. They make me downtown hot, just like oven. But when the morning comes, we not have nothing. A boyfriend who can't buy you food when you're hungry. Is that one to a boy, so I change game, move fast, switch up the lanes. I got myself a sponsor. Messi va payer me nyani die, oh my baby. That's where dry not dry, but she na coming kwa. I don't remember me, me sonny was a man. Pull it for me, slow down. Missy, yeah, me, yeah. Pull it for me, slow down. Me got yeah, me, yeah. Pull it for me, slow down. Missy, yeah, me, yeah. Pull it for me,
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Say make a wire. Tell me to wanna cover my girl. He say all our friends are living la vida loca. California, me, my lover. Yeah, you go there for me. You go there. When the boy they hunger, I go try for you. But you say if you no get money, hide your face. Hide my face. Make another man picking on my race. I love you, no mean say. If you say make a put one up for fire, burn. I go put one for fire. You know mean say. If you say make a put one up for
Mid-morning show.
fire.
Have a blessed day.
I go put like for fire. Give me love, make a love. There's no other one above. Dance, make a dance. Give me love, make a love. There's no other one above.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
So all my thanks and praises,
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
when I'm in trouble, come and set me free. So I will give you thanks and praise. I serve a living God, I serve a mighty God. Come on, help me stay. My life is giving me victory. When I'm in trouble, you come and set me free. So I will give you thanks and praise. I serve a living God, I serve a mighty God.
Right, so music of Kwame Eugene. And there's this thing about musicians, both Nigerian and Ghanaian musicians. If it's not Odoyewu, it is Abena. It's the one who how Abena people are special. Your bar, your bar now, boy, Dean the Kobena, you are messing up big time. Oh, yeah, Bevan, so now get, hey, then I'm back in. But anyway, I'm not for a special. No, but oh, but I say, oh boy, boyfriend, and I couldn't the covenant. I mean, come on. Tuesday of Frankasa is special. Tuesday of Frankasa. Tuesday of Frankasa is special. Now bring the song back. Kwame Eugene, I've been on brand new music.
trendybeats.com.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello, old friend. It's been a long time. Adwuma-Adwuma. Cause way back then, we used to run down, turn up the old town. I feel rough. Yeah, I think I have to do more to show you crazy love. Make sure you stand tall. And your clothes are not enough. How I wish you were around.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Girl, I will never leave you lonely.
But I think I need to say this on record. You see, take away the fact that I love Kwame Eugene. Take away the fact that I'm a big fan of Kwame Eugene. But I think Kwame Eugene is a good songwriter. Kwame is a good songwriter. And Ghana for Obianka Mama. Kwame will bring Grammy one of these days. Obianka Amen. Obianka Amen. What a songwriter. What? Hey. Shall I bring the song back again? Bring the song back again. Man like Kwame man for what? Hey. That's right. Hey.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Really, I am always biased when it comes to Kwame Eugene. That one there. The fact that I love Kiddy, Stowboy, and the rest of them. I love Kwame Eugene. I'm always biased when it comes to Kwame Eugene.
Show you crazy love.
Hey.
Make sure you stand tall. Can I take you dinner, dinner, dinner? Oh, come to me, oh my love. Bimbo biara, oh, my sweetie, abna. Can I take you dinner, dinner? not enough. How I wish you were around, yeah. You know that I'm falling for you, lucky. Girl, I will never leave you lonely. We go day on
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
we go day together, oh, die away. We go day on top of mountain. If we die, we go do romance. You and I, we go day together, oh, die away. Can I take you dinner, dinner, dinner? Oh, up and up, up and up. Come to me, you're my love. Me know you're my city, up and up, and up, and up. Can I take you
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
One day you will know. These are the words of my mother. As I'm getting old, even now I remember. So I'm packing on my tools. I'm going back at home. A young girl like me shouldn't be caught with an old school fool. He told me he was a banker, not knowing bank robber. This man is a gangster, bukum bankum boxer. Oh sorry I no pa, but I'm boy. If you we are, shaka nigga janko. Now he dey beat me every night and day. Mama she used to want me, but I didn't wanna know. Mama she, mama show, mama she, mama show, mama she, mama show. Jenya kwano de me, na pikin no de here mama, pikin no de here papa. And then kwada yaba, social media neda. Better na ya boba pa, better na ya nyondo pa. Nansu wakoda na wodiye ukoteni ya usi ya boro. He told me he was a banker, not knowing bank robber. This man is a gangster, bukum bankum boxer. Oh sorry I no pa, but I'm bobo damn boy. A dream we are, shaka nigga janko. Now he dey beat me every night and day. Mama she used to want me, but I didn't wanna know. Mama she, mama show, mama she, mama show, mama she, mama show. Jenya kwano de me.
Oh no,
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Respect Ghana, fund him, link up, article, patapa, with the wow, what's it? Coast cat, fat, get a K.
Them say we know they do nothing, but them they like our thing, eh. You know be anything, but them they feel our thing. Go to every party, want a song you go take party, you know be man thing. Remember say you be Jah mighty, yeah. One more time make we give them that pat, skeleke. Pat, skeleke. That thing be the girl, them a thing, yeah. Pat, skeleke. That thing be the guy, them a thing, yeah. Pat, skeleke. Yo, you know be every time way you for crack your brain. Sometimes we they shut that they slow and they go off lane. Yeah, the sun, yes, say yeah, but no move, Johnny Wale, famo, more. Hear me now. Hey, I'm into all ale. All this a worldwide thing now. Everybody do your thing. Make a hear all ale. All this a worldwide thing now. Everybody do your thing. One more time, make we give them that. That thing be the girl, them a thing there. That thing be the guy, them a thing there.
If you hit me one more racing, show. You say we go higher, singing,
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Showers on the region. I love it. Them done now. Could I be faster than a motorbike? But you don't go get nowhere. Oh God, you have way to more bongo. She thought he said, oh, what fair one like you make them big, oh. She went oh, large, you say your eye open, but you no blind. When rain fall, sun go shine. Boy, never ever undermine. I know be weak, oh, I just be kind. Hey, we all them move forward, but say I am bad mind that we behind. Them confused, oh, them confused, oh. Them don't know what to do. Them confused, oh, them confused, oh. Them don't know what to do again. Them confused, oh, them confused, oh. Them don't know what to do. Them confused, oh, them confused, oh. Them don't know what to do again.
I'm a Bible. I'm a Bible. Right, Charles Nia Manson on this one, and of course, I call another Friday. You see, your friend, your Jenny Champion, Cobina Watting, from Cobina Costia Brand, for the perfect gentleman who will chroma a football to bone, you know, old travel. And you back, that's why it's yours, sir. That's why it's serious, bizarre. That's why it's serious.